All right, walk with me over here. So here I have a 1x30 belt sander. I ended up picking this up at a yard sale over the weekend. Man, this thing is in rough condition. This guy had left this thing outside for years. There was a plastic cover here, but I took it off and then it cracked. It just disintegrated. So that's that. Just rust all over the place. And yeah, she's a mess. I did start her up. She was seized, but I sprayed some lubricant, and I took out this wheel and I sprayed some lubricant down there and freed her up. Man, look at this. Caked on here. I'm going to blow this all off with the air compressor. I'm going to make sure that I go around the corner outside because I don't want this in the shop. Okay? Shout out to the shop, by the way. So now this is my fifth 1x32. I actually grabbed two over the weekend. So the other one makes this number 6. Yes, number 6. Show you. 1, 2, 3 is that's a delta, just like this one. And this is what, 4? And then if you walk with me back here, I have the other one I grabbed, 5, which has this here. He was asking that, but I ended up getting it for $30. That's a deal. Central Machinery, but I ain't complaining. And of course, the 6th one is my 2x72 belt grinder that I made back in 2015. This thing runs like a champ, that's for sure. I have there the little thingy there, the attachment. Also for that 2x72, I have the wheel here. I think it's a 10-inch wheel. But anyways, yeah, I figured I'd do a quick video. I guess I'm going to restore this thing, bring this thing back to life. There is some parts out there that I could upgrade it if I wanted to. Change out the wheels and this and that. I actually have a bin over there that I have spare parts for this thing from a different 1x30. So with that being said, let's get into it. Look at the layer on this. Look at the layer. And it's a brick. Look at that. Wow. Holy moly. As you can see, yeah, freed her up. Okay, and I did have a motor. I should have kept it, but I sold it at a yard sale. Damn. So, hey, but you know what? I'll refurb that. Get it all nice, greased up, oiled up, lubricated. You know what I mean. Girls, you know what's up with that. So, yeah, let's do this. Already looking better. Now I'm just going to blow this off. So don't breathe any of this stuff off onto me. There we go. So looking a lot better, right? Blow this off. Hopefully, don't breathe it. Alright, she's looking a lot better than what she was. That was the original wheel. I don't even have to change any of these wheels. They're actually pretty good. I lubricated them. Let's go ahead and put a quick belt on here and see it working or not. But this is loose. I haven't tightened it, as you can see. Just for a quick test. You know what? Let's see. I got it plugged in. Let's see what she does. Yeah, see? Yeah, I don't think it's gonna fly off. She's doing pretty good. I blew out the motor as well. All right. Remember, she is loose, but this is just for demonstration. Put it all back in. Okay. Pretty good for $5, right? Yeah. Just needing a little bit of work. That's it. So now I'm going to take this apart, the plan, and I'm going to remove the rust and further clean it. Get rid of a lot of the surface rust on these areas, and then yeah, she'll be good to go. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to use her for. I think it will be in the shop. The 3 in the mobile unit. I think it's good enough. Maybe. We'll see. I don't know. Or this one might be in there. I don't know. We'll see. Just thinking out loud. But now I have 2 deltas. So that's cool, right? That one's a delta right there. As you can see. Yeah. Same exact unit. Cool. Alright, update. I ended up taking a few items off of here, and I have it down here in the good old, what's the sonic thing? Gonna leave that running for a little bit. Got a mess over here, potting all the cords. That's how it goes when you're doing projects. And then this is the on-off switch plate, and I just sprayed it. Looking pretty good. Took off the rust on the wire wheel. Nice light coat first. And keep applying. Alright, she's all back together. Ended up spray painting some areas. Like that, that, and this. Found the cover for the other machine that's in the van. Ended up finding the spares. The only thing that's missing on here is this knob, which is something similar to this. I took this one apart, but this is a different setup, and so it would not work with this unit. This one here has a bolt. You can see that right there, and this one is different. So yeah. Nice little fix. I ended up cleaning the inside as well, lubricated everything, blew off everything, and yeah, she's a nice little screamer. Actually, let me go ahead and get a chisel. Let me see here. Let's see, I'll grab this crappy chisel here. I'll show you. This thing is working really good. Oh, thanks for coming in and checking out this quick little project. Nothing too big, nothing too small. Just, you know, paid $5 for it. Didn't want to go overboard. Yes, I do have some overspray. Shout out to that. But that's not a problem because, man, this thing was in rough condition. And guess what? This thing now is going to last a lot longer than what it would have been. I can always sand this and feather it in like so. See? Still wet, actually. So I can get away with that. Actually, it's better like that. But anyways, yeah, I'm happy with it. Just got to put it to use and do some further projects coming up with it. Until the next project, we go.